you manifest something that you want without taking any action? And actually, this is probably the reason why you're not manifesting, why your manifestation is not coming. So make sure you stay tuned to the end to understand exactly why and what to do. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Juliette Cleary. I'm a manifestation coach. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like this video, share this video, and let's get straight into it. Can you manifest something that you want without taking any action? The short answer is no. But let me explain. We always take action toward something that we want. Okay, so we do the energy work to say visualize. What do you think visualization is? It's taking an action. You're taking the time, you've decided you're going to visualize your desire and you're going to feel it. That's taking action. So action may not always be, okay, I'm going to go to this doctor and get this medicine and then that's gonna heal my body. Sometimes it is, right? But sometimes, or I'm going on this diet and that's gonna give me the skinny body or whatever that I want. So sometimes it can happen like that. But sometimes action is, okay, I'm gonna meditate every day. I'm gonna meditate every day. I'm gonna journal every day. I'm gonna sit for 20 minutes and I'm gonna visualize, or I'm going to, sometimes taking an action is that inspired action. So you've done the alignment work, you've done the energy work. So you're aligned with your goal. And then you get an inspired idea to call someone you know, right? And then they tell you about this amazing opportunity and boom, manifestation. Or you're inspired to go get a coffee, right? And then right next to the coffee place is a newsagent's where you buy a lottery ticket, win the lottery. Okay, so there is always action involved. But here is the big thing, which I feel like is an issue with almost every person, is we have such a negative vibration around taking action. We have so much resistance because I get so many people asking me, do I have to take action? Or can this happen without me doing anything? When you don't realize that taking action can be fulfilling, it can be fun. Tell me some of the things that you like to do. Do you like to create art? Do you like to go for walks in nature? Do you like to go swimming? Do you like walking on the beach? Do you like cooking? Do you like reading? Do you like playing computer games? They're all action. Okay, so what you have is a negative vibration or resistance about taking action. And that's why you stay stuck, is because you're like, oh, any action that I have to take toward my goal, my desire, I don't want to do it. And because you have so much resistance around taking action, you're not even going to receive the idea for the aligned action. Or maybe when you do, you just feel like, oh no, I don't want to do that. Because you've convinced yourself, or life has convinced you, that taking action means effort, struggle, sacrifice. I'm using my time. I'm not having fun. That's what you think taking action is, where action can be creating music. Action can be taking a beautiful drive. Action can be swimming in a gorgeous ocean. Action can be writing a poem. Action can be, even toward, say, for business, it can be creating a product or a service that you are so aligned with and passionate about. Action can feel good when it is mixed with alignment. So when you are feeling really good, you're aligned with your goal because you've done the energy work, you've done the mindset work. And now you couple that with an action, an aligned action that feels right, a good feeling impulse, an idea that you take action on. That feels good. But if you have this thing of like, oh no, I don't want to take any action. I don't like action. I don't want to do that. You've got all this resistance. And the universe is probably trying to send you aligned action to take, aligned ideas, but you're just cutting them off and saying, no, I don't want that. What if you just allowed it, what you want to come in any way that it's going to come. You're expecting it to be fun and easy and effortless, right? But don't hold resistance against if it comes that way or this way or taking action. Taking action can be fun. I mean, do you think someone who, writes fiction books, like, do you think J.K. Rowling was like, oh, another book to write, hate this? No, she loves writing. That's the action, okay? And especially when you enjoy the action of what you're doing, the results that you get from it are going to be so much more satisfying. It's like when people, don't want to work out. They just want to visualize and manifest the body that they want. When really, and of course, visualization does change your body. It really does. There are so many studies done on what we can change with visualization. But still, a lot of people say, well, no, I definitely don't want to exercise. But do you know how good it feels to move your body? It's just that you're thinking about it in a really negative way. You're thinking about what you don't want to do. But sometimes there's a physical activity or an exercise that actually makes you feel really good or really alive. And maybe you could visualize that you're getting the absolute best physical results while you're doing that. So notice if this is a block that you have. Because this could be holding back, success in your business, in your career, your job, really anything, health, relationships, your body, like changing your appearance. It could really be holding you back in all areas because we don't realize that what we push against, we're adding resistance around, and then, maybe that's a way that our desire is going to flow, or it's even just blocking it any way that it can come. But understand that we are always taking action, whether it's a big, I'm writing something for, my new book every single day, or you're taking action, or posting on social media for your business, or if it's just, I'm visualizing, I'm meditating every day and I'm dedicated to that. I'm listening to podcasts, to improve my mind. I'm reading every day. I'm exercising because it feels good. So action is not bad. That's what you need to shift. You just want to attract aligned action. You want to attract good feeling action, right? And this is something that I really haven't heard that many people talk about. And it's probably one of the biggest blocks that most people have when they're trying to manifest something, because we think manifestation, it's going to come without me doing anything, and I don't want to do anything. It's like, you do want to do things. You don't want to lay in bed all day and not move and not do anything ever for the rest of your life. You want to do things. You just want it to be joyful. And even things that you don't really want to do, like they're not the most fun things, when you are in a good mood, when you're in your place of power, when you're aligned, you find the best aspects of those. You make the most of what you're doing, and it becomes something that is more satisfying than not. Okay, so I hope this video has helped you. If it has, let me know in the comment section below, and by giving this video a thumbs up, sharing it, and subscribing if you haven't already. Make sure to check out my free products and programs in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you on the next video.